If you keep important documents, PDFs, photos, or other sensitive files in the Files app, you may want to prevent other people from opening them. While Apple doesn't allow you to lock individual folders within the Files app, you can lock the entire Files app, so it requires Face ID every time someone tries to open it. In this video, I will show you how to lock the Files app with Face ID on your iPhone. Start by locating the Files app on your home screen or in the app library. Touch and hold the Files app icon until the Quick Actions menu appears. Tap Require Face ID. When prompted, tap Require Face ID again to confirm. Authenticate using Face ID. The Files app is now protected. The next time anyone tries to open it, they will need to authenticate using Face ID before they can access your files. If you no longer want the Files app to require Face ID, touch and hold the Files app icon. Tap Don't Require Face ID. Authenticate with Face ID to confirm. The Files app will once again open normally without requiring authentication. If you don't see the Require Face ID option, make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest version of iOS. Verify that your iPhone supports Face ID. On Touch ID models, you will see Require Touch ID instead. Restart your iPhone and try again. If you are using an older version of iOS, this feature may not be available. So update your iPhone to the latest version and try again. Before you go, here are a few important things to keep in mind. Apple does not currently allow users to lock individual folders inside the Files app. Locking the Files app protects all of the files and folders stored within it. If Face ID isn't available, your iPhone will ask for your device passcode instead. You can remove Face ID protection at any time by following the same steps. That's how you can lock the Files app with Face ID on your iPhone. Although Apple doesn't offer a way to lock individual folders, protecting the entire Files app is an easy and effective way to keep your documents private. If you found this tutorial helpful, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more iPhone tips, tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching.